A z-score helps you understand how far a specific data point sits from the average. It is a key tool in statistical analysis. Think of a z-score as a way to measure relative distance, telling you exactly how many standard deviations a value is from the mean. To calculate this, subtract the average from your data point and divide the result by the standard deviation of your set. A score of 0 means you are at the average. Positive numbers indicate a high result, while negative numbers indicate a low one. Raw data tells you the amount, but z-scores provide the context needed to compare different datasets on a level playing field. Most data points cluster near 0. Anything with a z-score of 2 or higher is considered statistically significant, often called an outlier. Use this metric to spot anomalies in performance or risk, rather than just looking at the raw numbers alone. Understanding z-scores allows you to analyze volatility and outliers more effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the numbers.